Hello friends, you are welcome once again to Custom Tool Venture. Today I will be putting on this basket with dress. Follow me as we dive into it. Okay, this is how the basket will be eventually. All I needed to add to the main fabric is about 10 inches. And so this is the main fabric I'll be adding the basket with to. You can see it's taped round at the 3 edges. And so I will need a pattern paper, and this is my pattern paper. My pattern paper is already in the measurement of the circumference I need on the down part of the dress. And so I'm using the size 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. That is vertically I measure 1.5 inch, and then horizontally I will also measure 1.5 inches. You can see that the basket width is in the square shape. Square shape means all the sizes are equal. And so you must be very careful when you are drawing it, and take your time drawing it very well. And so after I'm through with the drawing, I will have to sew the stripes. Okay, so I cut 2 inches size, and then I will fold it from both ends to sew it to form a stripe. And so get to the machine to sew it. So you can sew as much as possible, as many stripes as possible. It depends on how much of it you will need. You can measure it, and then you will measure the possible ones you want to use. So these are the stripes I've already cut and sewn that I will arrange on the pattern paper. As many as you want, you cut it and then sew. And so I've started arranging on the pattern paper. When the vertical line falls, okay, you can see it, I have arranged it systematically. It has to be on the line you ruled. It has to be on the line you ruled so that you can get the basket weave very well. Okay, remember mine is a 1.5 inches gap. You can make your own 2.5 inches. You can make it 2. You can make it 1 inch interval. It depends on how you want it to be full. In fact, I've seen some they're so wide, so probably they use 2.5 or 3 inches, or what you need. It depends on your choice anyway. Okay, so you can see I've stayed on the vertical line, and you have to be careful, if not the papers will tear. So it gave me tough time, but all the same I still achieve what I wanted to achieve. Still achieve it. Okay, so still on the vertical line 1. Okay, still at the vertical line. I have completed the vertical line now, so I want to go to the horizontal line. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, while waiting, please do subscribe and give a good comment. Let me know what you feel about this design in the comment section. Please let me know what you feel. So I'm going the horizontal line now, and I'm following the line systematically. That one very, very important. You need to be very careful so that your paper doesn't tear. Please give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate it so much. Now, beautiful. The basket weave is completed. It's already completed, both the vertical and then the horizontal line. Okay, and then you know what I'm going to do. I will still tape around the 2 edges by the side, and then the extreme end. Okay, you can trim your dress now. All excess stress should be trimmed off to make your work neat. All excess stress should be trimmed off to make the work neat. Okay, so what is the next thing I'm going to do now? I will So make sure all excess thread is trimmed off to make your work neat. And then the stripe I'm going to use to tape the edge, that is the down part of the dress, is also 2 inches wide, and of course it will be as long as the length of the weave you are doing. Okay, so I'm trying to explain both the two sides, the other 2 sides. In other words, I will be taping 3 sides, then the 4th side is going to be on the main fabric. Okay, so you can see the way I'm trimming it, taping it now. So I still prefer to do it with the paper. That is how it will stay well. You cannot do it on the paper like that. You have to tape it around like that with the paper before you remove any paper. Please do give thumbs up to this video. It won't cost you anything to subscribe to the channel if you are here to subscribe. Okay, now it's completed. I've taped the 3 sides. Okay, just to give it a good finishing touch. So, and this is the fabric to be used now. So I'll just take it from one end. That's the side I said. Okay, so I just take it from one end of it. The whole body is already completed, so just place it on it and sew it around. Sew it while the paper is still there. Yes, and just sew it around. Give it a run, a good stitch round, and it will come out this way. Okay, this side will eventually come out when it's sewed. So we'll be taping that one to the main body of the dress, and then lo and behold, it's already fixed. See how it's coming out already. Okay, so you take your time to remove the paper. Take your time, be careful so that you don't pull off the stripes. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. Then give a thumbs up. You are free to comment on the comment section and ask for any design you wish we should make. Yes, thank you so much. And if you need a private tutorial on this design, you can give me a chat on the comment section. Give me a chat. Thanks for watching even up to now. If you have not given thumbs up, please don't wait. Do that and subscribe. At the end of it, it's beautiful.